we're going to have our new tutors training. Are you excited? Are you excited? I'm excited! So, I hope you're gonna have fun with this module and I hope you're gonna learn a lot because I'm gonna tell you, this is going to be your manual and this will help you a lot as a new teacher in our growing family. What you can see on your screen is the class timeline. So it starts with what? Can you guess? Yes, it is prepare. So what are you going to prepare? You're going to prepare your tools. On what are you going to use when you teach? Also, you can also prepare your rewards. Second is the materials verification. So what are you going to do here? So you're just gonna upload the material ahead of time and then verify to the student if you have the same copy. Third is the shift clock in. Okay, so you should shift clock in 30 minutes before your first book class. Okay, and then you may add up your student ahead of time so that he'll be aware that, oh, we have a class, dear. Yes. So how are you going to do it? Just type in, hello, this is Teacher Julie. We have a class at 1900 and I will be glad to see you. Does that sound good? Next is you will conduct a class for full 25 minutes. So what's gonna happen in between 25 minutes? So here it is. First, you're gonna do the greeting and introduction. It's gonna last for about 1 minute and 30 seconds. Second is the warm up and get ready, which usually lasts for 2 minutes. Third is listen and read, talk and repeat, learn and practice, which lasts for about 18 to 20 minutes. Then, you're gonna show your expectation that you want to see the student again. So, that would last for about 1 to 2 minutes. And then the last part that you're going to do when you conduct a class for 25 minutes is the oral summary of the entire lesson that you have conducted. Okay, summary. Okay, not you're gonna tell the story or not you're gonna tell the topic again, just the summary. And then you're gonna give your detailed suggestions on how the student could improve his performance on the next class you're going to have with him. So that would last for about 1 to 2 minutes also. Now, supposed to be you're done with your class for 25 minutes. Now you could go to your class table and click class over. Yes, class over. And then you're gonna leave your remarks. Better to make sure that you're going to leave your remarks 30 minutes or within 30 minutes after you have done clicking class over. This is the proper camera angle. The angle that is too low. Angle that is too high. Angle that is too close. Too close. This is the